After months of speculations, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences panel head Dr. Sudhir Gupta calls the Sushant Singh Rajput's death a case of suicide. Ruling out any possibility of murder, Dr. Sudhir Gupta has said that the late actor died due to hanging. India Today TV, remember, has been getting you all the facts linked to this case, also debunking a lot of conjectures that had been floating around. Take a look at this report.
One death, 5 angles, 111 days of mystery. Nearly 4 months after Sushant Singh Rajput's death, the dust seems to settle in the most talked about case of 2020. The AIIMS panel head Dr. Sudhir Gupta, who was analyzing Sushant's viscera report for last 3 weeks, has ruled out the murder theory and termed it a clear case of suicide.
The AIIMS chief of forensics and also the chairman of the medical board looking into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput has made it explicitly clear to the India Today group that Sushant Singh Rajput's death is a suicide. He has ruled out any foul play. He has categorically made it clear that the AIIMS report, which has been submitted to the CBI, clearly says that Sushant Singh Rajput's death is a case of hanging.
The report by All India Institute of Medical Sciences also concurs with the opinion of Mumbai's Cooper Hospital that carried out the autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput.
Autopsy on Sushant Singh Rajput's body was conducted at the Cooper Hospital on June 14th. This was conducted under supervision of 5 senior doctors from the Cooper Hospital. The cause of death stated by doctors at Cooper Hospital was asphyxia due to hanging.
Insiders say that circumstantial evidences collected by the CBI too indicates that it's a case of suicide and not homicide.
The Central Bureau of Investigation has relied on 3 important findings. First one, the forensic report on the crime scene recreation. Second one, the profiling of the suspects, including of Riya Chakravarti. And the third one is the key witnesses who gave this statement and who were present when Sushant Singh Rajput died in the same flat. These findings were analyzed with the findings of AIIMS doctors on the viscera and autopsy report of Sushant Singh Rajput. And after analyzing all these findings, the Central Bureau of Investigation sources have told India Today that it appears to be a case of suicide and not a case of homicide.
From June 14th, suicide, movie mafia, murder, money laundering, drugs, theories have been revolving around the death of a star. Reporting only facts, India Today showed only what the agencies investigating the case told us.
Okay, there's big breaking news that is coming in at the moment. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide.
India Today broke the news first, which shocked the entire nation.
In Bandra, grim news coming in.
The autopsy report of Sushant was first accessed by India Today's Devesh Singh.
A team of 3 doctors have conducted the autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput. Provisional cause of death is asphyxiation due to hanging. That's the latest coming in right there. The VH is now joining us.
This is the mortuary where we are standing outside. It is where the post-mortem was conducted, the autopsy was conducted.
CFSL scientist Amitosh Kumar, who visited Sushant's Mumbai residence, told India Today that there is no solid evidence of murder.
गला नहीं घोटा गया, उसको लटकाया तो है, ये तो है कि लटका है, क्योंकि लटकने के निशान अलग आ जाते हैं, वो लटकने वाले निशान।
मतलब खुद से लटकने वाले या दूसरे को लटकाने वाले?
खुद से लटकने का दूसरे का चक्कर यही है ना कि वो अब ना तो कोई उसका पीएम रिपोर्ट में तो कुछ है नहीं।
फॉल प्ले कुछ नहीं है।
अभी तक तो निकल गया। अब कोर्ट में साबित भी तो करोगे, थोड़ी किसी को ऐसे कह दो मर्डर है। अब खाली यूँ कह दो कि मर्डर, हाँ जी मर्डर है, तो वो तो मीडिया वाले मर्डर गाए जा रहे हैं जब।
Responding to the AIIMS report, Riya Chakravarti's lawyer Satish Manashinde said that truth cannot be changed and speculations were motivated. The CBI is likely to continue its probe into abetment to suicide. However, the probe agency says all aspects are still open in the case, and if any fresh evidence comes to light proving otherwise, murder charge will be added. With Munish Pandey and Devesh Singh in Mumbai and Anjana Om Kashyap in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.